All right, we want to find the perimeter of the square. We want to use the side ratios from special right triangles. So first of all, it's a square, which means this is a 90-degree angle, and these two sides are congruent. So that tells me this is a 45, 45, 90 that I'm working with, both of these triangles here. All right, once we figure out one side, it's nice and easy. Uh, we have all the sides, so we can find the perimeter. So if my hypotenuse here is 14 root 2, if I take one of the sides, using these side ratios, take one of the legs and multiply it by root 2, then I get my hypotenuse. So let's call this one x. If that one's x, all of them are x. We know that if we take one of the sides, multiply it by root 2, that gives me the hypotenuse. Solve for x by dividing by root 2, and it'll cancel. So my side is just 14. And if I want to find the perimeter, then the perimeter, there are 4 sides of 14, and that gives me 56. And I'm done.